Congratulations on your new relationship.
The first kiss can be an exciting and memorable moment.
Here are some tips to help make your first kiss a special and enjoyable experience. 1. Take it slow. Don't rush into the first kiss. Take the time to build up a connection and a level of comfort with each other. Enjoy the anticipation and let the moment unfold naturally.
2. Choose the right time and place. Find a quiet and intimate setting where you both feel comfortable and relaxed. A peaceful park, a cozy corner of a cafe, or a romantic spot can all be great options.
3. Pay attention to body language. Look for signs that your partner is ready for a kiss. If they are maintaining eye contact, leaning in closer, or touching their lips, these can be indicators that they are open to a kiss.
4. Start with gentle and light kisses. Begin with soft and tender kisses to gauge each other's comfort levels. You can gradually increase the intensity as the moment progresses. Remember, it's not a competition, it's about sharing a meaningful experience.
5. Communicate and ask for consent. Consent is crucial in any physical interaction. You can ask your partner if they're comfortable with a kiss or express your desire by saying something like, "I really want to kiss you right now. Is that okay?" Respect their response and be understanding if they're not ready.
6. Mind your breath and hygiene. Fresh breath and good oral hygiene are essential for a pleasant kissing experience. Make sure to brush your teeth, use mouthwash, and have breath mints or gum on hand, especially if you've just had a meal or consumed strong-smelling foods.
7. Relax and be present. Nervousness is normal, but try to relax and enjoy the moment. Be present with your partner, focusing on the connection you share. Don't overthink it or worry about being perfect.
8. Follow your partner's lead. Pay attention to your partner's rhythm and style. Kissing is a dance, and it's important to be responsive and adaptable to each other's cues and preferences.
9. Keep it light and playful. The first kiss doesn't have to be overly serious or intense. Have fun with it, smile, and let your affection and enthusiasm show.
10. Practice good communication afterward. After the kiss, take a moment to talk and express how you felt. This will help strengthen your bond and ensure that you're both on the same page.
Remember, every couple and every first kiss is unique. These tips are meant to serve as general guidance, but ultimately, it's important to follow your instincts and create a memorable experience that feels right for both of you.